Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can delete and autofill password for apps or websites on the iPhone 13 series. So you can see here, if I tap on a text field of username or password, it will offer me to use an auto fill password or username. Now, you might not want to save this username or password on the device. So in here, I'm going to show you how you can delete them for good. So first, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on settings. And in settings, go down and tap on passwords. In password, you need to sign in with your Face ID or a passcode. And then you go down, you can use the search function. So if it is a password for a website, for a Facebook website, for example, then you would type in Facebook. So this just allows you to quickly look for a password and then select on a password that you want to remove. So for example here, if I want to delete the itjungles@gmail.com password, I swipe across and then tap on delete, and that will remove the saved password on this device. Now if I go back to that same website and if I try to reload the page, okay, if I type in the username and password, now it will only offer me a single password, which is the test password. It doesn't offer me the other password anymore. So if I bring up the keyboard, you can see it doesn't show the other options, only test. For this website, there is only one safe password and username. If I tap on the key icon right here, the key symbol, it will bring me to my autofill password. And you can see in here, I only have one record for that website. And that's it. That's how you can delete a safe username and password for apps or websites on the iPhone 13 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.